Hi, angels. Why pre? So, welcome back to another DIY. So, in this video, we are going to be making some bling handheld mirror. Does that make any sense? Yeah, we're just going to be blinging up this handheld mirror that I got from, I think it was Family Dollar. It came as two. So, what we're gonna need, the supplies. We're gonna need one peel off rhinestone sheet. It doesn't have to be peel off. You can get the one without peel off and then glue it on, but the peel off one is way better. You don't need any glue. You can just stick it on. Just like that, you're good. Next, you're gonna need is some scissors. You need some brooch. It's all about what you want to add on to it, but this is what I'm using. I got a lot of brooch and I got some crystal chains, which I end up not using. And oh, you need your hot glue gun. You know, you do need your glue, just to glue on the brooch and everything else. Or you can use your E6000 glue, just leave it for it to dry, and then you're good. The E6000 glue will work so much better since you won't be able to see the glue when everything dry. So yeah, I think that's all that you need. So first thing first, this is where I messed up. Well, kind of messed up. Wouldn't call it fully messed up, but if you guys gonna do this and you get the peel off rhinestone sheet, I would suggest turning over the sheets so you can see the back of it, where you can see that white line on it with the words on it. Trace out the mirror. So place the mirror on top of it, trace it out, and then you cut out the mirror that you trace out, peel off the back of it, then just paste it on. But I wasn't really thinking about that. So what I actually end up doing was, this is what I call a difficult step. I traced out it. Then right after I trace it out, then I peel off the back of it. Mind you, this is very sticky. The purpose of it is just to put it on anything, and just like that, it sticks on perfectly. So it kept on sticking onto everything, and obviously I had to cut out all the extra all the extra sheets off of it, so it got a little complicated. So that's why I suggest trace it out first, cut it out, peel off the back, and then just cover it all the way up with the rhinestone sheets. But you live, you learn, you make mistakes, you keep it moving. So yeah, the next step, since I did it this way, is to cut out the extra fabric like all the way around so that I could be able to cover up everything, since yeah, this wasn't looking too cute, and it kept on sticking onto everything. Like, I was so frustrated while I was doing this. So first thing first, let's cut off the sides. I'm gonna cut off not all of the sides. I got a little lazy, so some of the sides. You're gonna try to make this as clean as possible, because if you're not planning on dazzling it all the way around, then it does need to look a little professional. Mine did not, but it doesn't matter because I cover it up with bling bling. Bling bling. So yeah, just cutting off the extra sticky, so that I can wrap it around the edge. And also, you don't have to use your scissors. This is very stretchy, so you can just peel it off, just rip it off, which I'm going to show you guys in a few minutes. So yeah, just cutting off all the extra part of it. And all of that I'm cutting. Oh, I almost forgot. I only needed one sheet. I thought I would needed two, but you only need one. One, and you're good. So I'm just making sure that I get all of the sides so you don't see any of the pink. Just covering it all up. You can pull it because it's very stretchy, so it will stretch out. So just pull and cover. Pull and cover. That's it. Make sure you cut off all the extra rhinestone, and then just wrap it over it. And that's basically it. You don't need any glue or anything like that, because this sticks on very, very good. Yep, that is what I'm doing. I don't know why I didn't pull over the other side. That is always looking like, it always shining. Just for that little light, it's shining, shining, shining. Now I'm trying to cover up the end of it. This whole step, the first step is to cover up all of the mirror. So that's what you're focusing on. I can't even talk. So that's what you're focusing on right now. Just making sure the mirror is covered up with the rhinestone sheets. When you finish all that, then you can get into the fun part with decorating it. But this is the first step. Make sure that you have a base, a nice, even, flat base. It's all about that base, about that base. Do you guys remember that song? I don't know. I don't even know who sing it. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Covering up the sides, covering up the bottom, covering it up all the way, cutting off all the extra rhinestones. This took probably like 5 minutes, so it was quick and easy. Only took 2.5 seconds. Okay, guys, so this is the next step. I finished covering it up all the way, and that's how it's looking. It's not looking too perfect, but it doesn't really matter. You're not going to be seeing any of that. So this is where you can just do whatever you want, add whatever crystals, you can add pictures, you can add small crystals, like whatever you want to add. I decided to go big and bold. You guys remember when I made my carnival outfit? So the bottom of my carnival outfit, I had this big crystal applique thing right here. So this is what I'm gonna use to cover up that majority of the back of this mirror. So yeah. I also got this from Amazon. I think it was $6 for two. So just add your hot glue gun, or you can use your E6000 glue or whatever glue of your choice, and then just glue it on all around. So that's what I'm doing right now, just gluing it on. That's how it's looking. So the next step is the brooch. Obviously, you have to remove the back of it because it's not going to lay down flat on the mirror. So I don't know what this black thing that I'm using to remove it is called. Well, basically, you just removing the back of it so that you can easily just glue it on. So that's what I'm doing, adding a lot of brooches. Yep. So this big mirror, I just add a lot of brooch, a lot of crystals, a lot of shiny stuff on it. And then the small mirror, the purple one, I'm going to show you guys. I didn't show you guys the step that I did because it's basically like the exact same thing. For this one, I just remove the back and then just glue on everything. So first thing first, you have to place down where you want the row to be, how you want it to be looking before you actually start gluing on everything. It's best to just lay everything out so you can get an idea before you actually start doing anything onto it. So back to what I was saying, on the small brooch, I decided to add pictures, little crystals and stuff like that. This big one right here that I'm showing you guys, I just went all the way out and it just make it so dazzly and crystally. So yeah. Okay, Angel, so this is how the handheld mirror turned out. It's kind of heavy, so I would suggest not using as much of the bling bling that I use because it's not that heavy, but you do feel it in your wrist a little bit. So I would just add a one or two, but it still turned out amazing. I wasn't add a little picture at the back of it, but it wasn't fitting, so that's why I had to remove it, which left a little extra glue. But yeah, this is how the mirror turned out. A little FYI, it's best if you guys clean up the mirror first before you start applying anything. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Bye.